It's not a Facebook group. It's not a bunch of YouTube videos where you have no idea if that person knows what they're talking about or even is a professional photographer. Nope, this is Photo Insiders. Photo Insiders is different because you have quality education, new videos, every single month. And in addition to the videos where it's instruction, you see behind the scenes of me working with real clients, you also have group access and exclusive access to me. In fact, you have a question, you didn't understand something in a recent video, fire away and I will get back to you personally. But of course, the rest of the group is there in on Photo Insiders, and we even meet up once a month live. We've done a lot in our live calls, from group coaching to bringing in guest speakers and even throwing insiders into the hot seat, meaning you have an entire hour where we get to talk about any part of your photography, your business. Maybe you want us to look at your social media presence or critique your website or look at ways that you can improve your photography. The hot seats are a lot of fun. You want to check out Photo Insiders because you can rely on quality education. It's mostly me and my 20 plus years of experience as a professional photographer, but I also bring in other experts that fill in the gaps of places that I'm not that knowledgeable about, like Christy Shirk with Photoshop or Gary Hughes and headshots. Hope Taylor with senior photos. I'm making sure that you get quality education, new education every single month. And by this point, we're 2 years in, we have a massive library to look through. If you haven't checked out Photo Insiders, definitely take a look. And if you've seen Photo Insiders maybe 2 years ago at the very beginning, you must see all that we have changed, all that we've added. I'm constantly making sure that there's new value added every single month. And if that wasn't enough, there's more than $1,600 of discounts that I've worked with some of my closest vendors that I work with, people like Photo, 17 Hats, Tenba, Westcott, a lot of different deals for you once you're a Photo Insider. Give it a peek, and I hope to see you on the inside.